Hi everybody, welcome back to Want to Step. I hope you all are doing great. So in today's episode, I'm gonna guide you on how you can get Marketplace on Facebook. So to do that, go ahead and open up your Facebook application. So before starting, let me tell you guys, to get the access of Marketplace on Facebook, you must be 18 or 18 above. Once it's done, go ahead and tap on Marketplace. And once you tap on it, you can see the option Sell. Go ahead and tap on Sell. Here you can see create listing option, go ahead and tap on it. And here you get the options, either you can add your items, vehicles or homes for sale or rent. So for instance, I'll just select items and here you'll get this type of option where you can add your photos, you can give the title and you can also add the price, category, condition and description for the product. And once it's done, go ahead and tap on publish, and once you publish it, you are good to go. So if you found the video to be helpful and informative, go ahead and subscribe to our channel and also press the notification bell for more updates.